Good morning everyone. We were studying about the number system. We have already done the classification. We have already studied about the rational numbers. Rational numbers are those which is equivalent to P upon Q, where P and Q are the integers and Q should not be equal to 0. Now we talk about the irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are not equivalent to P upon Q. Okay, and now we have to locate some irrational numbers onto the number line, just like root 2, root 3, root 5 and root 17. That's it. For this is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, this is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now what we have to do, we have to draw a perpendicular at a distance of 1 unit this way. Now we open an arc of 1 unit and cut the perpendicular like this. Now we have to match this point to O. This is 1 unit, this is 1 unit, and we have to find the value of this way, this hypotenuse. This is the perpendicular, so this is the hypotenuse. Okay, now we label this. This is O, this is A and this is B. Now we have to find the value of OB. We can find the value of OB by using a Pythagoras theorem, that is OB square equals to OA square plus AB square. We have the value of OA and AB. OA is 1 square, AB is 1 also. This is 1 plus 1. Okay, so this is 2. So OB square is equals to 2 and we have the value of OB, that is under root 2. Okay, we are not taking the negative value. When we remove this square term and comes to their square root, we take plus minus value, but we are not here taking the negative value because we are here talking about the distance. So we take the positive value of root 2. This is root 2. Now we have find the root 2 value, but we have to find it on this number line. So we open our arc of OB, then cut or intersect on this number line this way. Now label it as a point P. Now we have the value of root 2 on this number line. This is root 2. Now we have to locate root 3 also on number line. We can locate it by draw a perpendicular on this. We take a OB as a base. This is 90 degree. Now we again open an arc of 1 unit and intersect this perpendicular like this way, and now we are going to match this arc with the point O. This is 1 unit. Now we again label it. This comes to point C. Now we have to find the value of OC. We can again find it by using a Pythagoras theorem. Like we take triangle OBC and triangle OBC. OC square is equals to OB square plus BC square. OB and BC we are having the value. OB is equals to root 2 and BC equals to 1. Here 2 plus 1 equals to 3. It is OC square, OC square, OC square, and we have the value of OC, that is root 3. So we have the value of this, that is root 3. We can again find the value of root 4, root 5, root 6, but this is the longest process, so we are not going to do like this. We use the formula of perfect square. You already aware about it, the perfect square numbers, like 0 is the perfect square of 0, 1 square equals to 1, 2 square equals to 4, 3 square equals to 9, 4 square is equals to 16, 5 square equals to 25, 6 square is equals to 36, 7 square equals to 49, as so on. So we take this perfect square to find the further values, irrational numbers values on this number line. Now we find the value of root 5 by using this perfect square formula. We have to find the value of root 5. What we will do, we again draw a line segment of 1 inch each. Like this way. This is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. This is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. What we have to do, again we have to draw a line segment, but this time on 2, perpendicular line segment, this time on 2. Why? Because we know that 5 is 4 plus 1, we can write it as, and 4 is the perfect square of 2, so we can write it as 2 square plus 1 square. Okay, so now we take the line segment of 2 on number line and we mark a arc of 1 centimeter. Now we take the perpendicular on point 2. We draw a line from this point. Now we take an arc of 1 centimeter because here it is 1. Okay. Now what we have to do, we have to match this arc with 0. Okay. Now we label it. This is O, this is A, this is B. Again we will do it by using a Pythagoras theorem. We have to find the value of OB square, which is equal to OA square plus AB square. Okay, we have the value of OA, that is 2 square. The value of AB is 1 square, that is 4 plus 1. This is OB square. Okay, now we have the value of OB. This is equal to 5. OB is equal to under root 5. Now we have the value of OB, that is root 5. Now we again open our compass to measure root 5 and to consider this O point as the center of the circle, and now mark the arc this way. Okay, and mark this point as P. Then OP is equivalent to root 5. Now we have already marked root 5 on number line, which is equal to OP. Now we have to mark root 17. We can again mark 6 like this. We take here the perpendicular and draw again as we draw root under root 3. Now for root 17 we take a small line segment of 1 centimeter. Earlier we were taking the line segment of 1 inch. Now we take the line segment of 1 centimeter, like this way. This is this. Okay, what we are doing, we are locating number 17 on number line. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. Now what we have to do, we can divide 17 and 16 plus 1, right? 16 is the perfect square of 4, right? So 4 square plus 1 square we can write it as. So what we have to do now, we are drawing a perpendicular on 4. This way. Now we take 1 centimeter like this. Now we are going to match this arc with 0. Okay, label it 0 A, this is B. What we have to do now, we have to find the value of OB by using a Pythagoras theorem. OB square equals to OA square plus AB square. We know that OA is equals to 4 and AB is equals to 1. So 4 4 ja 16 and 1. This is OB square. So OB square is equals to 17 and we have the value of OB, that is under root 17. Now what we have to do, we have to take this arc, open our compass this way, and now again taking it as a center of the circle, and we are marking our point under root 7 on number line. Okay, this is point P, and now from point O to point P is our under root 17 on number line. Now you get it. Thank you everyone.